they're thinking about the bottom line, a dollar bill showing up in their bank account. When what they aren't doing is thinking about the client's best interest. What they're not doing is thinking about the repercussions of not doing a thorough job. What they're not doing is thinking about the negative stigma that all salesmen or saleswomen, I don't know how to be politically correct, get, and the reason why that negative, people have a negative outlook about salespeople is because of salespeople that have had that sort of outlook. But it's at least in our own little world, how we can fix that with our clients is doing what's right. Just work hard and do what's right by somebody. Just do what you say. Show up when you're supposed to show up. This seems so basic to go back to being a kid. Hey, golden rule, but it is sort of like that. How would you want somebody to interact with you?